my beautiful clients. I'm super excited this afternoon. Okay, my name is Comfort Saleh, the lead consultant of Comfortable Homes Properties. Right now, I am at the Wealthy Islet. The Wealthy Islet is located here in Abijo, GRA. Yes, and then this property is a new launch estate that comes with so many amenities. We have the beach resort for the residents of this property. Yes, this is the resort here that is nearly built, and also this is where the estate is going to be located, here in Abijo, the Wealthy Islet. And here we have a plot of 500 square meters for 30 million naira, or inclusive. We also have the commercial plot of 1,000 square meters for 60 million naira. With initial deposit of 3 million, 6 million naira, you're good to go. So if you want to have the feel of living by the beach side, this property is for you. Call me with the number on the screen and book for an inspection. Yes, and if you're not going to be around for inspection, do not bother. I will come to this property and do a visual inspection for you. Call me on the number on the screen, and then I will take you around to these amazing properties. Let's check this out. This is the beach down there. This is a resort that is built for the resident, and this is just a temporary resort, because as time goes on, it's going to be more beautiful and amazing. Call me with the number on the screen. Thank you.